Project folders. Creating a project. The first thing you want to do whenever beginning a project inside of Maya is to create a project folder. How that's done is in the File menu, come all the way down and choose Project and then New. Notice we have blank names for all the folders that we're supposed to create in the project, and we have a name for our project. If this is your first project, you want to call that one project 1. Notice how there's an underscore by default for this new project. So I'm going to just select and backspace over that, and I'm going to put in an underscore, and I'm going to call mine project 1. If you give it some name and you don't ever put a space for your projects. You always want to put something like an underscore, a minus sign, or a dash. A good consideration is if you were going to call it Red Dog, you would want to put possibly D, capital letter OG, right? So that way you can still read Red Dog, but it's, the capital letter is a good way to go. I'm backspacing all the way to make sure I don't have any spaces in there, because Maya will not like spaces when you create a project folder. Okay, so to populate this, rather than having to type all the names in, if you come down to the bottom, it says Use Defaults. Click there and populate your folders. This is being placed on my hard drive inside of the Maya project folder by default. So for now, we can just leave it right there. Otherwise, you can browse if you need, for example, to save it into a different location on your hard drive. And I specifically on your hard drive. Don't create something on your flash drive this way. You just never want to do that. Copy files to the flash drive, but don't create or save files directly to your flash drive. So on the computer, use defaults, choose accept, and you'll save your project folder there.